Hello, today I'll show you how to activate the AMG instrument cluster menu at the Mercedes GL350 BlueTech, which is diesel even. So for sure, from factory, you see there is no menu there, and it's just normal factory settings from a menu. So in order to activate that menu, I will use simple OBD plug, no wires. It just you plug this to the diagnostic, and then it will activate AMG menu at that car. It's that simple. And anytime you can revert the factory settings if you want, just by plugging this one more time. So currently, I will see the messages at the command screen showing the process. So now I try to plug this with one hand. It's not easy. Okay, now it's plugged. Let's observe the command screen messages. So let's say waiting. Okay, it will take near 20 seconds. And then we will see how it goes. Still working. I see, this hardware ID of the instrument cluster, so successful, AMG. And now it will reset the command screen, and voila! You have now AMG logo, and I'm gonna show you now AMG screen. So let's start engine. Engine started, and you see the temperatures. So exactly like at the AMG cars. Well, so it's that simple. Let's try to do it back. I mean, to revert to the factory settings. So I'll just try to plug it out. Hold a second. To plug it off, it's not that easy. So now I plug it again, second time. So now it's AMG still. Let's see the screen. Waiting again. It again will take near 20 seconds. Okay, now it's factory. Let's see the instrument cluster and the car. So this is again normal. This is how it works. Hope you like it, and waiting for your orders. Good luck.